Hi there, my name is Dieter Becks. I'm a markets manager at EVS, and after the web show where Laurent and Serge presented the LSM-VIA, I would like to go into a little bit more depth of the LSM-VIA today. The product itself, or the solution, has been made together with operators. We at EVS and our R&D department has listened and worked together with operators and engineers around the world. Together, with that feedback, we basically made this new generation of replay as we know it. So by taking the components of our well-known remote, we've taken the best ones and we've built upon that a new ergonomic design without clutter, making sure that we can address with the best tools the current but also future needs of highlights and fast turnaround production for sports, entertainment or news. So let's have a look at the remote over here. As you'll immediately notice, there is still the trademark EVS layout, easily visible amongst the new buttons and design changes. We've kept the legacy functionalities, play, live, in and out, the function keys, etc. are where you expect them to be. So if you're an experienced operator, you can get going almost immediately. With the introduction of these new OLED displays next to the buttons, you can clearly see the options available depending on the scenario that you are in. The larger F keys improve your accuracy. Extra spacing overall allows you to easily feel your way around the remote. Simple but effective additions like the raised area on the in key and the record key centers you and helps you guide you to use the remote without always having to glance down. Speed and ease of use was our aim, and thanks to the customized buttons and the intuitive layout, you'll have more functionalities with the need for fewer key presses. If we just turn this around, as you might expect, we have full IP connectivity on the back of the remote, allowing you to assign channels more dynamically with more flexibility to any XT-VIA server on the network. The remote and the small client exists on the PC LAN network. This allows us to remove the need to have the server in the same location as the remote and the viewer screen, enabling us to do truly remote production. Because of all these leaps in efficiency, the IP connection, the 10 gig backbone between the servers, you can now get super fast access to any record, clip or playlist from anywhere on the network. We've worked hard to ensure we maintain the same reactivity and precision you'd expect from an LSM remote. It feels just like it should. Fast and of course absolutely frame accurate. You won't have missed that we now have integrated a color touchscreen. While working with and listening to the suggestions of our pool of expert operators around the world, we've created a responsive and intuitive screen that will change depending on what you need when you need it. This contextual approach means ease and speed of use will be greatly increased. In just a couple of minutes spent working on it, this new remote becomes apparent how much of an evolution this really is. From a comfort point of view, there are no uncomfortable edges. The remote has been totally redesigned with smooth tapping front end. Again, we've listened to the feedback of all those operators and made these structural changes to help you work more easily and more efficiently. There's even a USB port on the side here. Everyone has a phone to charge, right? What was the VGA, now called the viewer, has got a complete redesign. No clutter, clean interface, bringing it right into the present. You can now select multiple clips, reorder your screen to your preferences, different panes for different scenarios. You can see 2 banks at once, or also a playlist. It's really up to you. So as you can see, this is really a genuine evolution of the LSM. The LSM-VIA, together with the XT-VIA, really allows the operator to be faster and be more efficient than he was before. And also the combination of those two allows you for more flexibility in deployment, and also the shortcuts allows you to make new workflows that you were not able to do before. What's next? So in the coming weeks, what our ambassadors will do, they will introduce all of these functions. So I stayed fairly high level to give you an introduction, but the ambassadors will give you more insights on the different elements, such as the shot box, recall functions, trains, and other things that are coming up. So there's a lot more coming, so stay tuned and follow us to get more information on the LSM-VIA. Thank you for watching.